Complex list comparisons in Python. I want to do a complex list comparison with Python. I want to see if Lisp contains all of the items from Lista and if they are in the same order. But I do not care if Lisp has extra items or interleaved items. Examples: A, B, C, D, and E all appear in Lisp and are presented in the same order even though A and B have an item in between them and items at the start and end of Lisp. Extra complicated. A, B, C, D, and E all appear in Lisp and are presented in the same order even though A and B have two items in between them and one of those items happens to be something we are searching for. But since we are looking if A, B is sequential and B, C is sequential, the fact that we also have C, B, C shouldn't matter. So, would be true. Would be true. But something like, or even, would be false. If it get a false answer, I'd ideally like to be able to point to where the break in sequence happened, i.e. E is missing.
Simple solution using a nested loop. Walk over Lista and search the elements in Lisp in order. Should you fail at any point, this is not a substring. NV. Using strings here for clarity, but this works for any iterable. To get information on the non-found item, you can uncomment the print. Example.
Recursive solution. Test.
As always, Python comes with batteries included. Use sequencematcher.get_matching_blocks for a one-line solution. Output. Notice that this also works for any sequence, like strings. Output, for strings. Sequence matcher will even give information on how to transform one sequence into the other. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.